Imagine stepping into a vibrant oasis that embodies the essence of meticulous design and natural beauty. Welcome to the lush suburban garden of a charming home. This picturesque landscape features a residence adorned with beige horizontal siding, a dark brown roof, and elegantly white-trimmed windows that frame the scene beautifully. The garden itself is a testament to colorful front yard landscaping, bursting with an eclectic array of blooming flowers that dance in the gentle breeze. Dominating the landscape are bright clusters of red impatiens, sunny yellow marigolds, and deep purple petunias, creating a vibrant tapestry that captivates the eye. Complementing these colorful blooms are tall, verdant ferns and ornamental grasses, introducing vertical interest and texture to the design. Enhancing the outdoor decor are two hanging baskets brimming with red and pink flowers, artfully positioned near the windows to draw the eye upward and create a cohesive look with the home's exterior. A gracefully curved stone pathway meanders through the garden, guiding visitors toward the inviting front door, which peeks through the vibrant foliage. The meticulously trimmed green grass in the foreground serves as a lush carpet, further enhancing the overall appeal. In the background, a diverse collection of trees and shrubs forms a serene, forested backdrop, adding depth and a sense of tranquility to this suburban home garden design. Above, the sky is a brilliant blue, dotted with a few whimsical clouds, promising a sun-drenched day perfect for outdoor enjoyment. Overall, this vibrant flower garden is not just a visual delight. It represents a harmonious blend of colors, textures, and thoughtful design that transforms a simple front yard into a welcoming haven. With a commitment to beauty and maintenance, this lush suburban garden stands as an inspiring example of how to create an enchanting outdoor space that captures the heart and imagination.